Hi there. Welcome to Lesson 3.1, the 3 required elements under Paragraph 4A of the UDRP. This lesson introduces the legal standard at the heart of every UDRP proceeding. We'll look at how these 3 elements form the foundation of any successful complaint, and how they guide both the complainant and the respondent. In this lesson, you'll gain a high-level understanding of what the UDRP requires a complainant to prove. We'll look at the overall legal test, who holds the burden of proof, and why it's so important to approach each element carefully. This will help you understand not just how to build a complaint, but also how to defend against one. Under Paragraph 4A of the UDRP, the complainant must prove 3 separate elements: that the domain name is identical or confusingly similar to a trademark, that the respondent has no rights or legitimate interests in the domain, and that the domain was registered and is being used in bad faith. These are the essential building blocks of every UDRP case. Remember, if any of these elements is not established, the UDRP test is not satisfied. The burden of proof rests entirely on the complainant. That means it's not enough to make accusations. The complainant must submit real evidence supporting each claim. Even if the respondent does not reply, the panel can't just assume the complainant wins by default. The complainant must still prove all 3 elements, regardless of whether the respondent participates. This legal structure has strategic consequences for both sides. For complainants, the key is a well-prepared, well-documented case. Citing relevant precedent and aligning the facts with each element is critical. For respondents, the focus should be on creating reasonable doubt in at least one area, whether it's about rights, bad faith, or similarity. You don't need to defeat all claims, just one can be enough. To summarize, the UDRP is built around a 3-part legal test. Complainants must prove all 3 elements to win. Respondents only need to defeat one to succeed. This structure ensures a balanced and predictable process that protects legitimate trademark rights while safeguarding domain owners against overreach. In the next lessons, we'll explore each of the required elements in more detail. Before you move on, please review Paragraph 4A of the UDRP policy. This will prepare you for the detailed analysis ahead.